-1 billion, maybe. Like, I don't know what the fuck you're talking about over there,
Yang, what do
Sammy.
you have? What do you have, Yang? My
My
father is an
father.
esteemed police officer.
And I was a spy when I was a kid.
Yeah, I'm sure you were, bud. Calm
Man, that's
down.
why your broke ass is still hanging out
Nobody
with
cares
me
about
and
your
Toes.
father. Brother, it's because I have to. The
Coach, you
world's
alright?
gone to astray. I have to be with you.
Yeah, I backed up. I knew it was gonna blow.
His brother's acting like
I
he
know,
doesn't
but the
know what
whoa. And if I take that for ransom, they know that I'm good.
Sam B, please,
I'm only here because of Coach.
wait.
Unironic.
I'm friends with Coach, not you.
What?
And me go way back. Wait, no, Coach and Sam B go way back.
Yep. Ying, all you do is try to save people.
Sorry.
What? Coach likes me.
What? Yeah.
Here, sit still.
Maybe when you turn around.
No, there's nothing like it's uglier from the back.
You don't even have any assets.
In like a first, like you can't even tell what's under there. You know what I mean? But I mean, other than that, you got okay.
Let's just say Sammy B doesn't agree with Ying's ideas. Like picking up gin.
What?
That was a fatal flaw.
Yeah, like what was the point?
And the
Yerma woman, questionable. Well, actually, that's not questionable. We're gonna sell her off so we don't have to get tested.
What? I can't move because Sam B. I can't move because of you.
Sam B.
Do you see this? Like Sam B.
I'm about to throw a grenade. Like.
You have a fucking grenade?
Like what? Sam B.
Sam B.
Brother's not walking into anything. He's over here talking about Sam B. I don't have a grenade. I was trolling. But if I did, oh my
God.
Sam B.
Why would you do that, Sam B?
I can't stand
Like, you are a loose fucking cannon.
That was uncalled for.
Brother, you're acting like fine.
Oh, run. There's a bulldozer. Oh my god.
You just pulled the doctor's head.
Oh, shit, why me?
Get up.
He's running after somebody else. He's running after somebody else.
I you.
I know, thank you, brother, thank you. But he was running after you, that's what I was saying. Like, he's running after somebody else now. Oh my god! Get on the cars, he can't get us up here. What the fuck are we doing? This is the most dangerous part of the damn city.
Watch it!
Sammy, fill that thing up. I'm covering it.
Sammy, please!
I'm putting on the pack.
Sammy! I just got thrown.
What, brother?
Fill that damn jug up.
I'm stuck, please!
Sammy, I'm on fire!
Oh my god. The charger came out of nowhere. I'm talking like QB Sneak. Like
he just hit his own friend.
Charge was hitting him.
Yeah, I watched that fucking charger hit me. I'm missing.
Oh, Ying. Okay.
What? Where are you?
Sam B.
Sam B.
Yep, hit him, Sam B.
Yep, get him.
Here, let me in real quick.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
Brother.
Alright, go.
oh my god, we just blew us up.
Someone tried to, that's a sure. Let's go.
Help.
Who's trolling?
Where was
You
my
just tried to blow us
seat?
up? What do you mean hell?
I'm killing the damn ram. I'm killing the damn ram. The bulldozer.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Who is driving this thing? I'm getting Project Zomboid vibes. My
God.
Jordan.
Please.
What? This thing is a
Come
two-seater,
in.
brother.
There's a back seat to that bitch, and you know it.
Not when there's gasoline in it. Sam B. Can we
Yeah.
go?
It won't go up. Oh
Sam
my
B.
god. You want to drive?
No.
Yeah. Give me a shot. We're going to have to go all the way around. Is it actually back seat?
B.
You guys,
Yeah,
yeah,
there it is.
there it is. You guys don't.
Sam B.
Thank God you guys don't
Sam
know
B.
what you're doing.
Watch out!
Sam B.
We're going to have to walk this.
Ivan. It's
We're at the
40
wall.
meters, Sam B.
What?
What?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God!
Sam Beach, 40
Coach,
meters.
we don't got time to reminisce
Can't
about
walk
the
that
old
much.
days. Like, let's move to the
I'm
boat.
not talking about the old days.
Well, you're throwing
I
that
wonder what
damn
happens to
gas
water.
can around
Do it,
like
do
What do
you
you
missed
think happens
football
when I
days.
throw it in the water?
Just do it. Just do
It'll
it.
fail this bitch, no doubt.
No, it didn't fail us.
Oh, you can
Oh.
pick it up. Oh, thank the Lord.
Throw it in the water over
Say,
here.
oh,
Throw it in the
like
water
you
over
wanted to
here.
do that again.
Throw it, Jordan, in the water.
Over here. Jordan!
Oh,
Doesn't
don't
You
worry, I'll
matter.
pick it
You just trolled that.
Trying to blow
All right,
us up,
brothers.
too, Jordan,
We're
huh?
almost there.
Yeah, actually, why'd you blow
One
us
last
up?
thing.
I was killing
Water's
the
getting
ram,
choppy as
brother.
hell.
I told
We get tossed
cool
around too
dude to
much.
shoot at that
We
thing.
may hit one of those mines.
But he didn't. I shot
That's
him.
the end of the story, right? So we need to go to the workshop at the beach.
And then he
Make a
left
few
me and said,
modifications.
"There's no seats for you here."
I did not say that.
Alright.
It's so like that.
We'll see about that, coach.
This thing's a two-seater.
And it wasn't even that far of a walk anyway.
Yeah, like,
You could use
It
that.
wasn't that far of a walk. Oh my God.
worked off that 1 a.m. veggie meal.
Yeah, exactly.
What the hell is that supposed to mean?
Take it as you
Work
will.
off that 1 a.m. veggie meal. What do you think it means?
At least you can understand.
It might be another. We'll be back tomorrow time. Like,
At least you can understand a kindergartner.
at
Remember
least
that
at a
one?
kindergartner level, he can understand.
Why do we
things.
gotta go to the resort?
See, it's not so nice when it's your turn. I don't know. Let's just go.
I mean, do we have to?
Hey, get down here, brother.
Wait, is it me?
Yeah, it's you.
Who
My
else?
fault. I actually didn't know, for real.
But no, I wasn't upset. Dangerous waters. It kicked. Oh, I couldn't finish that hint.
Sure, it doesn't matter.
Moen's out of his element here. Look at him. He doesn't know where
Yeah,
he's at.
so are you.
Jungle.
Yeah, Sam B.
Asia. Asia.
I bet you got too used to that jungle.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. This guy's so fucked up. Why are we here?
Turn
Did it
off
tell
B. Turn off switch B. What is switch B?
Oh, we're here already? The boat trip was like 1 second.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Sam
god.
B
Sam
just
B.
Oh
trying
my
to
god,
blow
yeah.
me up.
Are you okay, Ying?
No,
This
not
is so
after
fun.
you just tried to blow me up. I hate how you use this damn knife.
I like how Sammy B used this pallet. Sammy B gets it done.
Power.
He uses this sword right now.
Yeah, aren't you a sharps weapon expert? How come you never use them?
Look,
Jordan?
I'm getting out of here.
Like, shut the hell up, Ryan.
Sam a troll. That's
I
Sam.
just hit 2 damn zombies with one knife. I bet your dumbass couldn't do that.
I just said Coolder doesn't throw his weapon. Damn it.
Jordan.
That wasn't even me, because I was
Wow.
thinking
That
about
was
doing
me.
it, but I couldn't.
I was trying to throw it at a zombie, and I swear to God, it auto locked. Like, I didn't even see that.
Jaden,
Jordan, you
Just
gotta be
keep in
glad I
mind
ain't
that
finished
if
picking
he
that
didn't
thing up.
actually accidentally do that, I was going to do it on purpose. So
Before you even had time, it was gonna blow you up.
Yo, there's a
Like,
baseball
no,
bat
you're
here. Get this. I just unlocked it. It's a lockpick. Damn!
damn,
I'm-
coach.
Yeah. Deserved. As some people.
Deserved. As I'm trying to gift people a baseball bat. Like,
Yeah, after you
I'm
kill
sorry,
them.
I know.
Ooh.
Like, deserved.
Shabby. Oh.
Yeah, don't stand be me.
Oh, I didn't even know you were down.
Oh, I did. Well,
Nah, it was worth the sacrifice.
That's
And
not
I
a good
knew
day.
Sam B knew I was down.
Sandy watched the light go out in your eye. I like that part. Like,
MB is a total freak. Like,
Sam B's about to not get any
Fucking
XP from this.
Die already!
Sandy started freaking chanting after he fell.
And I took all the money. You get no money from that big dude. Haha.
Who is he kicking?
Let's get on the roof, man. Let's get
There's
on the
nothing
roof.
back here.
Alright, coach.
This isn't even the right way to go, but
Oh my god, coach. Why are we up here?
Coach, you're such a
No!
troll.
wait, what?
Coach, we
What the
followed
hell?
you. We trusted.
Well,
Look at
then
us.
let's use our own intuition
Oh, go up
and go
front,
with
guys.
it.
Go up front.
Okay.
Right? Is that where we're supposed to go?
Yeah.
What
Yeah,
the hell are we
guys,
doing
come on.
wrong?
Everything.
Why don't we just
Check-
go to the marker?
Yeah, the marker's right here.
Hey, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Oh, we need these steel rods. We're a dumbass. Look.
We?
Word.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Not we, I mean coach.
Hayden. Coach.
Look, just keep the diamond.
But I'm
Yeah.
the
See,
only one doing
Coach,
the
look at you
mission.
try.
Like,
Look at you
yeah,
try,
wait a
Coach.
minute.
Look where it went.
Yeah, Jaden is right. Jordan is just trying to take us
Let's go, we're
apart.
wasting time.
Like, and
Alright.
Jen is back here saying, "Let's
Alright.
go. We're wasting time."
Yeah.
There's something else I need to do,
Why the hell are
alright?
you talking?
What's
But
the
I need
best
to do
mod,
it
Jordan?
alone.
The Ripper,
So
the
just-
Shocker, the...
Just wait
Listen.
here.
What weapon are you getting it for?
Okay.
Oh, we're in a cutscene, brother. So. Whoa,
Never
Jen.
mind.
Yeah, she just
Oh
talked
my
to me. I didn't
God.
want to talk to her. Oh, she gonna
Yeah.
kill herself?
What's up?
Damn, that was get that man. Get this camera back up.
Pan that camera up. Get the angles right.
Yeah, let's get a top down.
See, how does Jen have more than you? Yeah.
I know.
What?
Is this why we came back here? Oh my god.
At least she has a figure. Oh, to kill her dad? Oh my god. Remember, he made our tank.
That bitch got used for one mission.
Yeah.
And look, she
and
has a
disappeared.
revolver. Oh my god, and the only person that had a revolver is Coach. Come on, Coach.
He's still alive. Watch.
You
No,
gave her
he's
that
not.
damn
What is this?
revolver. He's still alive.
I didn't give her that revolver. He's still alive.
She's
Coach,
lucky he's
why'd you
not
give
like
him that revolver?
infected and running. Oh,
Coach,
Is this
why?
meant to actually matter? Like, for real? Do we care about this woman, for real?
do we care?
I don't.
This is the guy who made us the tank. Brother, what
Oh,
is
well,
that?
I care more about the
damn.
guy than Jen.
She's
Oh,
lost it.
Who gave her a coach?
Alright.
I didn't give her that
Let's get
gun.
the
I have it
fuck
right
off
here in
this
my.
island.
I can pull that bitch out
Yeah,
right
she
now.
just gave
Jen
it back
probably
to
get-
you.
Alright.
No, Ying probably gave it to her. You guys are
I
friends.
sold that
Why?
bitch the first day we got there, and you were like, "That
Why
bitch is
would
terrible,
you
Jordan.
randomly
Why would you
go
even think that
live?
thing's good?"
God,
Who?
God.
Preach.
Why are we going? Where are we going?
Brother, we did all of that just so she could kill her dad. For what?
Go to the lab as
Some
fast as you
closure?
can.
Oh
Alright,
my
Sam B. Show us how to run fast.
Oh my god. Brother,
When does this
you
game end?
Oh, wait.
troll.
Yeah, let's just go over here. I'll see you guys at the
some people aren't to be
laboratory.
found.
Oops. Oops.
Coach, why are you low health?
Dude.
I got killed, remember?
Yeah, but then shouldn't you be...
Why are there zombies in here?
Should I do?
Brother, they
Dan,
broke,
what
they
did you
broke
do?
in.
Careful!
Whoa, we're just following in Sammy B's wait. Like, yeah.
What did you do? I'm sorry. What did you do, Sandy? This place was cleared
that
out
when I'm
and
all
safe
tabbed.
here.
Yeah, remember that when I'm alt tabbed in YouTube?
OJQ, get up here.
Yeah, why am I taking
Oh my-
care of your
bro,
dirty work?
I was just saying in the corner, Ying, what did you do? What the heck?
Yeah, I'm watching Ying massacre people, zombie or
Ying,
not.
why are there zombies here?
What the
Yeah,
hell?
brother, that's because of you.
Then B,
You're
what did you
mad,
do to
man.
this?
Why was she in a cave? Ying, what the heck?
This is a little too far, Jordan.
Why were you in a
He took
cave?
my blood once, then again and again. He wanted to bleed me dry, and when I asked him
I would
why, he
too.
was surprised. The savage can talk. But I ran
Hey,
away from
me
my village
too.
to go to the city. To go to school, so I know a person
Surprising.
can
I
only
said
lose
that
so much
about
blood.
Sam B, too.
I locked myself in the cage to get away from him. And when he tried to open it, using that computer, he opened them all. And those things
What a
Jump on him.
dumbass.
and tore him apart. I screamed, but no one came.
Westy's dead?
Yeah, he's
Can it
dead.
be? He almost had the
Yeah,
bloody
he's
vaccine. He said he knew everything, that he knew how to make it.
Can't hurt to look.
What if he did? Maybe he did make it. Do you hear me? Search the bloody lab. It's got to be there somewhere.
Well, I already checked the
In
fridge.
the fridge, watch
Find
out.
it. Otherwise, my Emily isn't gonna make it.
Nobody cares about
Did
your
we
Emily.
care about your Emily?
It's in the it's in the fridge, just like I said. I just
What
got
about
it.
the damn way? Sam B, I want to see that damn cure.
I already got it. I already got
Whoa,
it.
whoa, whoa.
Yes,
Why
sir.
are we trusting Sam B with the damn cure,
Yeah,
Coach?
yeah.
If
Wait, why are you
anybody,
calling
it
out
should
food?
be Coach who has that thing.
Now take it.
That's who I trust the
Don't
most.
bloody lose it. I'm waiting for you on the prison island. Hurry.
Alright, Sam B, go ahead and drop it. Oh.
Look at Sam B.
Wait, this is why we couldn't go because of these
I
mines? These
unblocked
bitches
all
aren't
the
even
doors I
hidden.
could. Not very many, unfortunately. I don't have
That's right,
access to much of the
idiot.
security grid since it's on
Coach,
this.
what are you
Whoa,
doing?
Coach.
Don't shoot at that thing! Oh
Oh.
my god!
We're running on
Wait,
reserve
no,
power.
stealthy
I don't know
entrance,
how
I
long.
looked as a genius. That was smart.
If we lose contact,
Don't worry,
me
guys.
and block
I just wanted to
and
see if
for the
they'd
love of
blow
God,
up.
if you come-
Like,
the prisoners don't.
we
bloody
needed
trust
steel
them.
rods for
I'm responsible
this?
for a lot of them being here. So if you bring them to me, they'll kill me, and then you.
Look at Coach doing all the hard work. What are you doing, dumbass? This woman, no!
It's gonna blow.
I thought that bitch was about to blow.
like I could
Coach
just
did all that
imagine
hard
that
work
stuff.
just for her to like imagine.
We did all this
like,
for 2 mines. Oh,
Oh man, they were in the way. That brother said there was a minefield there. King of the jungle.
So, I don't think so. Moin.
He said I was saying
You
B.
keep all quiet, okay?
yeah, I sure did.
Like, look at